Hello, you are welcome to this class. For Lagos, they thought say if you see heavy flood, people where they Lagos, they say if you see heavy flood, I carry us on this class. We'll show you different videos. We'll look at the possible cause of this flood, especially you won't buy a house for Lagos or build house for Lagos. This is the best time to know the place where they dry. As I say, the land dry. What about the area? As you can see, Vanguard, motorists, commuters stranded as floods submerged Lagos roads. Aside roads, Igbo houses, you go see. Moku start. As you can see here, Mayor of Calabar so said today flood at Ikotu Lagos market swept away a man at the main market. So, next, as you can see, Lagos State residents lament the aftermath of heavy flooding that occurred yesterday.
Ladies and gentlemen, room select.
Yes, so.
Room select.
Affordable price.
Yes.
Very cheap.
Yes.
Yes, so.
Yes.
Let me show you. Switch it to back camera. 50K, oh, 50K for 1 year.
Our house.
Please, yeah, you want to leave. The location, mainland Lagos,
Iwaya.
MFM Road.
We are beautiful girls.
MFM Road, oh. I'm the agent.
We are.
Is that you guys? I'm the agent, oh. I'm the agent. If you're looking for a house, 2-bedroom flat, very affordable price.
50K.
Yes, oh.
Show Savior. Show the water. So you can say, let's say, show the side there. This side. Show Savior like this. Show Savior like this.
Go back small.
No. I just something.
See, we are packing this water. Just like say maybe this water need open they go. See, that here be like conga. See passage, do person this. They make God help us. I don't tire. Now, now go come. Now, come they ask some money. No pay now. They come they blow your neck. Now, we say now with the stop and now no go come oh. Now no go come oh. Now they go maybe snake. Now they go maybe snake. No go dey for this water. Not people no go see inside this water because Canada don't bring nonsense thing come. Now they go maybe snake no go dey for inside the water. People just dey careful. Maybe snake no dey for inside this water. So water be like conga, pass it be like.
You see also. Another one. More videos from the flooding in Lagos yesterday. It was heavy enough to move cars and potentially damage properties. You see also. Next, even Oshodi wasn't left out of the flood yesterday. Everywhere now water for Lagos. See also. Another one. Most can't differentiate road and gutter. This one on Lekki, they say the guy couldn't differentiate between road and gutter. Another one, Rufai. Oh my God. Ilupeju Road submerged by flooding water following rainfall due to block drainage. Una one of the throwaway things for East Nigerians. This one no be only government o, when no plant this well o, even citizens, Africans, black man.
First bank. See water inside the first bank. 3 months. I put 3 months. See water. This is the Peju. Bypass. See everywhere there is water. Survive it. What to jam me? You want to jam me? You want to go cold or not?
So another one, the flood is too much. Ojota Maryland Bridge. Another one, adult creator. This lady, I don't know whether you know her. They say even her house was affected.
It's the house. I've lived here for so long. I've never had water enter inside my house. Last year it almost did, where a good person filled the road thinking that I'll solve the issue. But Coastal Road eventually blocked. Removed our, we have a very big, community canal, you know. Now the water goes nowhere. This is the entrance. As an entrance. My house, everyone. It's green. It's green water. Looks like a place that crocodile might stay. But I now pack dustbin on top of my car because nobody comes to carry dustbin anymore. Okay, so we're going to the shop and I'm surviving because I have a small provision shop.
Anything also the attorney, just the attorney.
God I work, God I beg. God I work, God I beg.
So this one, flood crisis in Lekki. Children take it to school by boat. Nigeria.
Look at kids. Look at kids. See how they are going to school. The boat at the end of the day is the one that's carrying kids to school. So I want to be sure and I want to know if this is the legacy that you guys are setting. Even as simple as setting, for example, we had to set all these lines to as much as possible show people that there are gutters there, because people as simple as just making sure that there are lines there so that people know where the gutter is and they don't fall inside gutter. That is all you'd have done. That's all we need to be done. But we hear this intervention and we don't see it in any simple way. See how children are going to school. So lucky.
Very lucky.
No be say flood only happen for other places too, but this our own citizens, they contribute to am, so it be for this country called Nigeria. This one, flood waters took over shops, residential buildings, and streets in Shogule, Oshodi, Lagos, Maryland. You see also. This one outside my apartment where I am paying 10 million naira in rent. Everywhere is flooded.
Guys, I woke up to see, look at my compound, look at outside here. Look at my compound, look at outside here, look at this lady here. Look at how deep the water is to her knee, to the main road, to everywhere. Blood of Jesus. Oh, how can someone be paying such amount of money to stay in a flooded place? I'm paying 10 M and I'm staying in a place that tomorrow water might even enter my house. Oh, thank God they raised our own up. These people here, they are really suffering. Like water entered their house.
Another one. This is the current situation in Mushi as a result of the rainfall. Every year, the people of Lagos face this flood problem. Still, the government is not doing anything about this.
Lagos is smell. See, now dirty with this. Dirty section.
Anyway, Rufa come and say they don't detect the source of the wahala. Again, when I asked where is the EIA for Coastal Road, I remember that time they asked Mahi, come and see what they tell the journalists. That time when they destroy that man's property, they para as if an attack on the government. Some people will say, he may say climb. It's a normal thing. Basic thing, just like foundation. They rush, start the project. They call me names. I guess I am vindicated today. Didn't the EIA envisage flood? Can the Lagos Environment Ministry tell us if they saw the EIA for the Coastal Road? If they did they raise concerns? What was the metric? Accountability is key. Rufa was linking the issue to Coastal Road. Okay? Anyway, the person where they in charge of this wahala in Naibi to Kubo Wahab. He thought that yesterday's flood was largely a flash flood triggered by several hours of intense rainfall. It's typical with flash floods. Water levels have since receded in many affected areas. However, we are aware that some individuals are attempting to exploit the situation to advance a particular agenda. Our priority remains the safety and well-being of Lagosians. We will continue to monitor vulnerable locations, respond properly where necessary, and implement measures aimed at protecting lives and property while improving the state's flood resilience. Thank you. Now I'm going to listen to Scott Iguma. What do you get to say?
It is now an emergency and an urgency to stop selling land and reclaiming land in Lagos. Because the flooding that we've been seeing recently after some of this heavy rainfall, this flood will not be normal flooding again. You know, Honorable Tokunbo Wahab, you always call it flash flood. This is not a flash flood again. This is not an existential issue. This is a life-threatening flood. Places that don't usually get flooded before are currently getting flooded. Places like Bagada, Ikeja, even Ikoyi. Some of these places are currently getting flooded. So this is no longer is a flash flood or it's not flash. This is not flash flooding. This is a city submerging underwater. It's a high-level A-grade emergency, and we need to face it as a serious emergency. If flood carry the city, all the people will build, whether you are calling it mega city or no, everything will go. Everything will go. As a matter of fact, we advise to the Lagos State government, you need to separate this Ministry of Environment from the Ministry of Water Resources. You need to separate it. The environment and the dirty one we face for Lagos is already an emergency and a life-threatening issue. The flooding is also an emergency and a life-threatening issue. One person cannot be handling the two. You need to separate it. You need to give these water resources to a proper technocrat to handle. This is a life-threatening issue. It's a life-threatening issue. And all the community leaders and ballers and monarchs, you need to stop selling land though, pause first. Because all we care about is to sell the land. You sold everything. You don't even keep place for market. There was no proper place for market even in the Lekki axis. You sold everything. And those of you in Lekki, those highly prone flooding area, if you can relocate, relocate now. Relocate from those areas. This the flooding is not flash flood again. This is high risk. This is a serious emergency. If you can relocate, relocate. This is not about it go carry your house. Make it not carry you join on the day it will happen. Relocate if you can relocate from those axes, those heavy prone flooding axes. Relocate from there. They will not compensate you if your house gets destroyed or if your life is gone. And we also need to know how they dump this our refuse, because it's also causing the flooding. Because as Nigerians, we like to do our bad character, then want to blame one person for it, want to blame the government for it, as though we are not contributing to it. We are also contributing to the flooding. See this video now, you see dirty on the canal. The canal couldn't flow because of the depth. This is also contributing to the flooding. No easy flow of water, no easy flow of the erosion, no easy flow because of how we are disposing our debt unethically. You are disposing your debt in the drainage, in the gutter. You think it doesn't have a side effect? It has a side effect. And then we want to blame only government. We have to take responsibility for our society. It's no longer a government problem. It's an everybody problem. Take responsibility for your community. If your house or life goes, they won't compensate you. It's a life-threatening issue.
You see so? Anyway, Lagos State government orders demolition of illegal structures on drainage channels in Agungi, Ajira, and Ikota. So people will spend money, millions, buy houses in these areas. They are about to cry. You must see so. See Lagos, wahala deal. Different information, and this one costs another one costs another one costs. Waiting nothing. When I drop off a comment, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.